Hello everyone, back with a Chinese diesel heater where I got in a bit of a smoky situation. Um, I ran out of fuel that got me an E8, of course, code, flame out. And what happened then is I flooded with the priming, I flooded the chamber. So what happened was, during the start sequence it didn't start the combustion, but it did start during the shutdown sequence that resulted with lots and lots of smoke coming, of course, out the exhaust and from the intake. When it did fire up afterwards and cleaned up most of the smoke, it was still smoking from the exhaust connection, which made me think that I may need to clean the muffler or the metallic hose. So let's remove it and see how it does. First of all, remove the muffler. It's a 7mm socket. And I do get, as you can see, some carbon buildup. Now let's remove this and see where we are. Oh, it's pretty well in there. Does look pretty clean in there. The exhaust as well. Now I'm going to remove my nice inox stainless clamp. So I will just use this just not to make a mess. So there is definitely something there. I will need more than that. Don't know if you can see that. But there is a coil in there and some dampening material. So this is some of the carbon buildup on the exhaust. Not that much. So that was a quick video about a scary moment. I will come back to you with some upgrades for this year. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.